And good evening, I'm Liz Bonus. 3 men are charged with breaking into the multi-million-dollar home of one of the most prominent couples in the tri-state. Stan Chesley and his wife, federal judge Susan Dlott, had guns pointed at their heads late last night. Police caught the suspects a short time later after a routine traffic stop. Our Local 12's Angela Ingram joins us live from the Hamilton County Justice Center now with more on this investigation. Angela.
Well, Liz, the suspects are here at the jail, and when you hear the name Stan Chesley, most people know who he is. He's a pretty prominent figure. You know his name, you know his face. You may even think of that huge Fen trial. But in this case, what police are telling us is that's not why he and his wife were targeted. In fact, the suspects didn't even know who they were. On this multi-million-dollar property, a nightmare unfolded for two of the Cincinnati area's most prominent figures. Federal Judge Susan Dlott and attorney Stan Chesley were in their home just before 11 Friday night. Indian Hill Rangers say Demetrius Williams, Darrell, Kinney, and Terry Jackson kicked in a basement door.
Mr. Chesley heard noise and said, "Who's in my home?" And then the suspects, all three of them, approached them, and they did not know who the residents were. They did not know Mr. Chesley, or they did not know Judge Dlott.
The men held the couple at gunpoint and threatened to shoot them. Investigators believe they had already made several trips to their car, filling it with the couple's property before Chesley realized robbers were in the house. A noise in the garage startled the men, and they left.
When the suspects left running through the home, that's when Judge Dlott and Mr. Chesley went into the wooded area towards a neighbor's home. And that's when Mrs. Dlott contacted the Rangers. About the same time, a Madeira officer made a traffic stop on Kenwood by Kenview. A suspect vehicle ran a stop sign on Dawson.
Madeira officers found property from Chesley and Dlott in the suspect's car and arrested them. Police say it could have ended much worse for the wealthy couple.
Inside the car were 3 handguns, a taser, or a stun gun, and 3 long rifles. All weapons but one were loaded. Fortunately, no one was seriously hurt at the residence.
Those suspects are charged with aggravated robbery and also abduction, and police say they will likely face even more charges. Reporting live tonight from the Hamilton County Justice Center, Angela Ingram, Local 12 News. Liz, back to you.
All right, thank you very much, Angela.